This is my day 3 in Amravati. I was supposed to leave yesterday in the evening, but I didn't get the Tatkal ticket. And then I tried for today in the evening. I again didn't get the Tatkal ticket. And today I have to. This is my third attempt, and this is the most important thing in the day. I have to get a Tatkal ticket to go to Mumbai. There's only one train from Amravati to Mumbai, and it's always full. In Tatkal Kota, there are 98 seats, for which I'm trying for third time today. Then there's a junction called Badnera, which is 10 kilometers from Amravati. This is on the Nagpur-Mumbai line, and from here you get quite a few trains from Mumbai. Most of the trains come from Kolkata and few from Nagpur, one of which is Vidarbha Express. So today my friend is trying to book a ticket in Amravati-Mumbai Express, and I am trying to book a ticket in Vidarbha Express. तो अमरावती देख, मैं चंदूर देख रहा. अवेलेबिलिटी सर्च फटाफट.
वही तो दिक्कत है, लोड बहुत करते हैं टाइम पे. नाम डाल, जल्दी डाल, जल्दी डाल.
कम्युनिकेशन ऑफिस कल्याण सिटी PMP है. प्रोसीड टू पे.
जल्दी कर. हाँ कर कर, अभी कैप्चा डाल, कैप्चा डाल, जल्दी कर कर कर. प्रोसीड टू पे.
PMP है. paying done processing.
मिल गई रे, मैं बता रहा तेरे को. एक्सेप्ट कर.
लग गए भाई, विकल्प आया. मतलब वेटिंग लिस्ट है.
अबे अमरावती CST का
वेटिंग लिस्ट 12. वेटिंग लिस्ट 12. तो अपने लग गया आज भी.
47 था बे यार.
So we have successfully failed in booking Tatkal ticket, third day in a row. And now my hopes have been crushed, and I don't know. I think I'll be forever stuck in Amravati.
Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin. La 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 la. La 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 la.
The time is almost 2 o'clock, and we are still on the bed.
Yeah boy.
Well, not like that, but we are so depressed that we didn't get the ticket for 3 days now. So yeah, we wasted a lot of time just lying down and watching some shorts, YouTube shorts. Who watches it? That's kachi kairi, also called as young mangoes. Amateur mangoes. Now we are going out for to shoot something for one day in Amravati video. Actually, now this is the third day which I'm here, and we're still shooting parts of Amravati in parts. But if you want to do all these things in a day, it is possible. That's the Amravati famous Ambadevi Mandir. I'll put more information in the video one day in Amravati. That's the entrance for Mal Tekdi, and we are going to go up. Oh, you have to climb a little to reach the top, I guess. I'm already tired. Do not visit in the afternoon. Whew. At least 30 to 40 steps to be climbed. More steps. That's the beautiful city of Amravati, where building culture hasn't grown rapidly yet. You can see a lot of row houses and villas.
done visiting Mal Tekdi, and now we are going to have Aloo Punga, which is a specialty of Amravati. So after asking around for a few times, we have finally spotted the Aloo Punga place. That is what it is. Sharma. This is Aloo Punga. It's basically nali with aloo bhaji and spring onions, and you can have it from Sharma ji's. Now we are headed to the ST bus depot of Amravati, because my hopes of getting into a train to reach Mumbai has been lost. Now I need to find out if there's a bus, or if there are some kind of buses which will help me reach Mumbai from Amravati.
अच्छा राजापेठ डेपोला जावं लागेल त्यासाठी
नाही ना, आता नाही,
म्हणजे दिवसभरात ना
उद्या परवा.
इधर शूट करने का एक बार
After a tiring game of badminton, we're going back home to drink thumbs up. A refreshing
Drink thumbs up with
thumbs up. आँखों में तुमको भरूं